I am Professor Ravi Bamanke. Today discuss about transmission mode in computer network. First of all, I discuss transmission mode. What is a transmission mode? Transmission mode refer to the method of direction data flow between two devices and also known as a communication and or direction mode. Basically, transmission mode is a three types: simplex transmission mode, half-duplex transmission mode and full-duplex transmission mode. Next, हम transmission mode to continue simplex. What is simplex transmission mode? Simplex mode, the data is transmitted from one device to another device that flow only one direction with full capacity. In this, the sender send the raw data or process information to the receiver without any acknowledgement or permission. For the transmission of data in this mode, the sender only has the right of access to send the data to the receiver, and in turn the receiver cannot send the data back to the sender. It also called one-way communication and unidirectional. Second, then half-duplex mode. Half-duplex mode is the mechanism of transmission the data from one device to another, or from sender to receiver and from receiver to sender, but not simultaneously. It has a carrier medium that also only one device to travel at the time. In this mode, either device need to send the data or device B has to send the data. It is a like communication is the one directional at a time, but transmission of the data is done in both way. Basically, half duplex mode, two directional data transmission way, but actually transmission at a time a single, as a, like a sender send to receiver receive, and receiver transmission device B send to device A only receiver at a time. It is also known as a semi-duplex system. Next, full duplex mode. Full duplex mode is the transmission of data between two devices simultaneously. It is a two-way communication. The sender can send and receiver the data from the other end device simultaneously. In this, the carrier or the bus need not wait for the other device. It is can send receiver receive the data simultaneously. A full duplex is also known as a duplex, as the has bidirectional communication. Best example for telephone mobiles, two directional communication device. Thank you.